It's Ming, and today is my first time to a YouTube video, and I'm going to try to debone the chicken and also show you how to make chicken puff. Okay, go ahead and start it. Okay, all the meat out of the bone. That's all. And now start working on chicken breast. Take the breast out. And take the fat off. That's the one, the breast. And also take the wing off. That's the second breast. The second wing. All this is fat. Don't be in trash. I'm gonna debone the chicken leg and try to trim all the fat the best you can on both sides. Okay, you like to, you could change to a small knife. That's for one leg without a bone. That's a two leg without a bone. Okay, now I debone all that and I'm going to show you how to do a chicken puff. Cut the end off. Kind of get a little cut and bolt all the way around the bone. So kind of have the skin kind of away from the bone. And all you do is just flip it, the meat. That's part of they call chicken puff. And then with the other part of the chicken wing, you do the same thing, but they have a two bone, and you got to pull the other bone out and flip the meat. That's the other part. And I got another one to go.
I know, right? No, I gotta know about
That's the third chicken puff. And there's a full chicken pot. And I already prepared some marinade. There's garlic, salt, and white pepper. And I got made a seasoning with that. And we're gonna take the deep fryer. You guys can follow me. There you go. Fire down. Dip. Lay on top of it and let the flow. Drop that in there. And that's it for today. I will give you better different item next time you show.